If you're a business owner who's looking to sell your business, this video is exactly for you. And by the way, I am creating this video to help you avoid the typical outcomes that most business owners actually get. Instead of getting the results, the outcome they desire, they get exactly what they didn't want. So I'm gonna walk you through this scenario that often happens, more often than not, to the vast majority of business owners who try to sell their company without having the business prepared for sale. So here's an example. Let's say you sell your business for about $2 million. But that doesn't mean what's gonna be hitting your bank account, what you're gonna see after you sign that purchase and sales agreement, it's gonna be $2 million. We're not even talking about deal structure. We're not talking about those things. We're just talking about the sheer fact that somebody is gonna give you the entire $2 million. Okay, so what we see here, automatically there is at least an 8% there that is gonna be leaving your pocket to your broker or M&A advisor's pocket. Why? Because when you try to sell your business, you rely on other professionals to get it sold. Typically, a broker or investment banker is going to charge you between 6 to 15% of the sales price. So in our example here, we're seeing about $160,000 already leaving your account. Not only that, you're going to have to pay accountants, lawyers, and potentially other advisors to support you during these transactions. So typically, the accountant's fee is gonna vary depending on the deal size between $10,000 to over $20,000. So let's just use here an example of $15,000. Your lawyer, we're gonna put here about $25,000. Okay, leaving us already with $200,000 gone. Okay, but that's not the end of it. When you sell a business, if you did not prepare for your sale, if you did not structure properly ahead of time, you will have to pay a lot of taxes. And here's what's gonna happen. And this is the saddest part. Most business owners don't even track their basis in the business, their stock, their investment into the business. So we're gonna be generous here and give you 100,000 as part of your investment, excuse me, into the business, leaving us with a taxable capital gain of with a taxable long-term capital gain of 1.7 million, meaning you will be paying a taxes of over $340,000. Okay, that's not even with taking into account the net investment taxes. Okay, of 3.8% in addition to the 20%. Okay, depending on your structure. So instead of you getting the $2 million, you actually could be ending up with $1.3 million just saying in your bank account. So if you want to avoid this kind of outcome, okay, I'll invite you to our free business and owner readiness transition analysis. Okay, it's gonna be available just for a limited time. Meet with us. We're gonna show you what you could potentially be looking to see and how we can help you change the results. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you. Follow us, put a like, a comment, or share with somebody who could benefit from this. Cheers.